In this video, I'm going to show you how the course is structured. So basically, in this course, we're going to discuss about how to build a business on Facebook as a promoter. We will focus on affiliate marketing, but we will talk also about other topics related to building a business on Facebook. So first of all, we're going to see what to promote on Facebook. We will see as an affiliate what you can promote, and even if you have a product, what you can promote. We'll see also which marketing tools have been offered by Facebook in order for you to build a business and make money, make a living on the internet. I will show you some marketing strategies and approaches to use if you want to build a business on Facebook. Then we will see some of the marketplaces where you can find items to sell on the internet and over Facebook as an affiliate. Then I will show you the powerful tool and the powerful strategies that I'm using to retrieve huge lists of focused potential customers, so customers ready to buy from you, and how you can get all these customers into your autoresponder, into your database of customers. Then I will show you how you can find hot niches to promote on Facebook. So which hot products you should promote on Facebook. Then I will support you in identify and spy your competition. So you will see what your competitors are doing and what they are doing to make their business, and where they're doing well and where they are not doing well. Then I will show you how to submit posts, prepare posts and submit posts on Facebook, and how to do ads, how to prepare your advertising on Facebook, how to create targeted ads, and how to set up your targets according to some inputs like which kind of audience you should focus to, where are they located, and so on. Then I will show you how you can find free content for your promotions. So you have a lot of tools on Facebook. You need to socialize with your prospects, with your customers, and we'll show you how you can find free content to offer to your customers. And then I will show you also how you can do local business marketing on Facebook. I will show you what is local business marketing and what you can do. This is a very profitable niche. And then at the end, we will see the next steps, how you can not only build your business, but make it sustainable, even only working on Facebook. So you will build a business where you even don't need to have a website or any kind of infrastructure. You need only to have your Facebook account, your Facebook pages, and you need to enroll to some of affiliate programs around in the world and do promotions like I will show you in this course. And now, when you're done with that, you will start to promote on Facebook.